Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the place where innovation meets clarity and technology is more than just talk, it's a lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the refined world of wearables, and not just any smartwatch. We're talking about Google's latest flagship, the Pixel Watch 3. If you've been eyeing that perfect balance between style, functionality, and AI power, this review is for you. Grab a coffee, buckle in, and let's explore everything the Pixel Watch 3 brings to the table. The Pixel Watch 3 is here, and while it doesn't scream radical redesign, it's refined in all the right places. Google has stuck to what worked with the previous models but elevated the experience. The iconic domed AMOLED display remains, now available in two sizes -41mm and a new 45mm variant. This gives users more choice depending on wrist size or display preference, and finally addresses a long-requested feature. The bezels are slimmer, the display brighter peaking at 2000 nits, and the overall screen-to-watch ratio is improved. Visibility in bright sunlight is now Animations feel incredibly fluid. Thanks to a major upgrade under the hood, Google swapped out the Exynos chip for the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1. The result is a significantly faster, more responsive watch. Apps open quickly, scrolling is smooth, and there's almost no lag. Software-wise, the Pixel Watch 3 runs Wear OS 5, optimized with Google AI and Fitbit health tracking. Google's AI now powers features across the board, from smarter notifications to contextual suggestions. It offers real-time coaching, adaptive reminders, and detailed weather or commute updates. It learns your habits, offering proactive suggestions instead of just reactive prompts. Google Assistant has also leveled up. It's faster, more conversational, and now handles tasks on device, which means faster performance and better privacy. Whether you're sending messages, translating languages in real time, or controlling smart home devices, the Pixel Watch 3 handles it with ease. A notable addition is the safety check feature, which can alert your trusted contacts if you fail to respond. A great option for runners and travelers. Fitbit integration is deeper than ever. The Pixel Watch 3 offers 24/7 heart rate tracking, ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and even skin temperature sensing. The improved heart rate sensor gives more accurate readings during workouts and rest. Whether you're into running, yoga, swimming, or just tracking steps, it's an excellent fitness partner. Sleep tracking also shines. The Pixel Watch 3 uses heart rate variability, movement, and breathing to generate detailed sleep reports. You get sleep stages, recovery scores, and bedtime guidance. For Fitbit Premium users, there are personalized wellness reports showing long-term trends useful for anyone training, recovering, or managing stress. Battery life sees a solid upgrade. With smarter power management and a more efficient chipset, the Pixel Watch 3 lasts up to 48 hours with always-on display off and about 36 hours with it on. Fast charging is another win, 0 to 80% in around 45 minutes. It's still not the king of endurance, but it's a step up from previous models and more than enough for most users in terms of durability. The case is now made from 100% recycled stainless steel and protected with Gorilla Glass 5. It's 5 ATM water resistant, so you can wear it while swimming, in the shower, or during workouts. Google offers a growing range of interchangeable straps from leather to metal and sporty or elastomer, all using their magnetic latch system. Connectivity options are strong. You get Wi-Fi, LTE models, improved Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for Google Wallet payments. It also features built-in GPS with GLONASS and Galileo, plus ultra-wideband support, laying the groundwork for advanced location tracking and seamless device interactions in the near future. Notifications are polished and intuitive. You get vibration alerts with clean visuals, and you can respond via voice, preset messages, emoji, or even use a swipeable keyboard, which works great on the larger 45mm model. Calls are clear with good mic and speaker performance. Music lovers will appreciate offline playback via YouTube Music and Spotify. And Bluetooth audio pairing is solid. If you're a Pixel phone user, the Watch 3 becomes even more useful. It acts as a camera remote, helps unlock your phone, shares health data between devices, and even plays nice with the Find My Device network. This tight integration is a big plus for those already invested in the Pixel ecosystem. The real win with the Pixel Watch 3 is how naturally it fits into your life. It's a fitness tracker, productivity tool, health monitor, and smart assistant, all wrapped in a compact, stylish form. It doesn't try to do too much. Instead, it focuses on doing just enough, really well. That said, it's not perfect. The proprietary strap system still limits third-party accessories, though the situation is improving. Advanced fitness metrics, like VO2 max or running power, are still missing, which might frustrate hardcore athletes. Some of the best wellness features, like readiness scores, are locked behind Fitbit Premium, which could feel like a paywall after buying a high-end watch. Prices start at $349 for the 41mm Wi-Fi model and go up to $429 for the 45mm LTE version. It's competitively priced compared to Samsung and Apple, and for Android users, especially Pixel fans, it's arguably the most balanced and polished smartwatch available right now. Design-wise, the Pixel Watch 3 continues to be one of the most attractive wearables around. Its domed glass and minimalist metal case strike a balance between modern and classic. It doesn't feel like a gadget, it feels like a watch, and one that fits with everything from gym gear to formal wear. The watch faces, especially the AI-generated adaptive ones, are also a great touch. They change colors to match your outfit or provide real-time updates, like weather, calendar, or battery level. In clean visual formats, Google has also opened up more APIs for developers, which means we can expect better third-party app experiences. More apps are being optimized for Wear OS 5. And that's good news for users who want options beyond the built-in ecosystem, whether it's fitness, productivity, or even entertainment. The app catalog is steadily growing. The user interface is refined, simple, and responsive. Swipes, taps, and scrolling are fluid. The rotating crown is satisfying and helps with longer menus. Dictation works surprisingly well, and text entry, whether by voice, gesture, or keyboard, is easy and accurate. This is a wearable designed for comfort and ease of use. Google also scores high on privacy. With this generation, they've introduced more granular health data controls. You can choose what's shared, with whom, and when. Most processing is now done on device, minimizing cloud exposure and making the experience more secure. To sum it up, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is polished, practical, and personal. It combines beautiful design with powerful functionality and AI-driven intelligence, all in a sleek and lightweight package. If you want a watch that not only keeps up with your life but enhances it through health insights, contextual smarts, and Google's ecosystem, this is your smartwatch. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Google Pixel Watch 3. Whether you're a health nut, a busy professional, or just love good design and smart features, this device brings serious value. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Is the Pixel Watch 3 your next upgrade? And what features do you want to see in the future? Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe to Tech Vibe for more in-depth breakdowns on the latest gadgets, and tap the bell icon so you're always up to date with what's next in tech. Thanks for spending your time with us. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep vibing with tech.